Humans have always been curious about the universe. The one question we have always wondered about: what lies at the edge of the universe? For this, NASA sent the James Webb Space Telescope into space to observe what is beyond us. But recently, the James Webb Telescope has discovered terrifying at the edge of the universe. What is this enigma? Let's explore the stunning revelations made by the James Webb Telescope at the edge of the universe. This discovery is so significant that it could completely shatter our understanding of the universe as we know it. The JWST has found some interesting things at the edge of the universe. Are you curious to know what it discovered? We're about to reveal stunning images and astonishing findings that will leave you speechless. Let's begin with the first image, where the JWST captured a stunning galaxy called M74. This galaxy is located about 32 million light-years away from Earth in the Pisces constellation and is almost directly facing us. Its well-defined spiral arms and beautiful structure make it a favorite subject for astronomers studying galactic spirals. Due to James Webb's sharp vision, we've discovered intricate threads of gas and dust within the spiral arms of M74. The galaxy's core has very little gas, giving us a clear view of the nuclear star cluster. Using its mid-infrared instrument called MIRI, the JWST is helping us understand the early stages of star formation in this galaxy. These findings contribute to our knowledge of the nearby universe. These fascinating observations are part of an international collaboration called FANGS. The goal is to map 19 nearby galaxies actively forming stars using infrared technology, combining data from the James Webb Space Telescope, the Hubble Space Telescope, and ground-based observatories will give us a comprehensive view of these galaxies in longer wavelengths. This will uncover even more secrets about our cosmic neighbors. The James Webb Telescope is a fantastic tool that has made some incredible discoveries in space. It helps astronomers explore the secrets of the universe in a more advanced way. They can now find areas in galaxies where stars are being formed, figure out how heavy and old star groups are, and learn about tiny particles of dust that wander through space. The telescope is slowly unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. But that's not all. The James Webb Telescope has taken a stunning picture of Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun. This unique image shows 11 of the planet's 13 rings. Uranus is a beautiful planet covered in an otherworldly glow, and its rings are made of rocks and dust that doesn't reflect much sunlight. That's why it was hard to see them with regular telescopes. Before this, the faint dusty rings were only photographed by NASA's Voyager 2 probe in 1986 and the Keck Observatory in Hawaii. Due to the James Webb Telescope discovery at the edge of the universe, we have the most precise picture of Uranus and its captivating rings. But the adventure doesn't end here. There are still 2 more rings on the outer side that are too faint to be seen in this first photo. One day, the James Webb Telescope will capture its hidden presence. Uranus is a huge planet that is 4 times bigger than Earth. It doesn't have a solid surface like our planet does. Instead, its atmosphere mainly comprises gases like hydrogen, helium, and methane, giving it a unique blue-green color. Uranus takes a long time to orbit the Sun, once every 84 years, and follows a different path than the other planets, making it even more interesting. Let's explore the amazing ways planets rotate. While Mercury spins straight up and down, most other planets tilt a little. Earth, for example, tilts at an angle of 23.4 degrees, but Uranus takes it to the extreme. It basically spins on its side at a 98-degree angle, so one pole always gets sunlight while the other faces space. Now let's open the cosmic treasure chest with JWST. Astronomers used the JWST telescope to take a picture of a huge group of galaxies called Abell 2744, or Pandora's cluster. This mega-cluster formed when 3 gigantic clusters merged. Because of gravity and the way space bends, the mega-cluster acted like a natural magnifying glass, helping us see faraway galaxies from the early universe. JWST surprised everyone with its abilities when it captured the breathtaking picture of Pandora's cluster. The telescope's special camera took pictures for 6 hours and then combined them into one big image. It showed over 50,000 sources of reddish light and gave us a clearer and more detailed view of galaxy formation than ever before. It looked like something out of a movie. JWST also played a crucial role in documenting the DART mission impact. When NASA decided to crash a spaceship into a moon called Dimorphos that orbits an asteroid, JWST was there to take pictures of the event. This mission tested a way to change the path of an asteroid that wouldn't hit Earth. The Hubble telescope took pictures of a collision using different types of light, like the kind we can see and the kind we can't see. Scientists can learn about the particles' sizes in the dust cloud from the collision by looking at the pictures in a different light. They will also use observations from telescopes on the ground to understand how a significant impact can change the path of an asteroid. NASA shared a fantastic picture of Neptune's rings taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. The picture shows the rings and faint bands of dust very clearly. Experts who study planets are comparing this picture to those taken long ago by a spacecraft called Voyager 2. They noticed that the faint, dusty bands could be seen better in the infrared light. In visible light, the planet looks dark except for some clouds high up because the special gas that makes Neptune blue absorbs most of the light we can see. The picture of Titan, Saturn's largest moon, shows its atmosphere, which has a lot of nitrogen and lakes and seas filled with liquid hydrocarbons. Titan is the only other place in our solar system besides Earth where we know liquid exists. The James Webb Space Telescope can see in the infrared, so scientists can learn about Titan's atmosphere, weather patterns, gases, and surface features that are hard to see because of the haze. The Webb telescope's camera, which can see in near-infrared light, took a picture of a bright cloud on the top of Titan. This picture confirms what computer models predicted about Titan's climate. Scientists are studying how the cloud moves and changes shape to learn about the air movements in Titan's atmosphere. They can also learn about the lower part of Titan's atmosphere and its surface by looking at the light with a special instrument. This instrument gives them more information than the Cassini spacecraft could provide. The James Webb Space Telescope also showed two galaxies called JWST coming together. This beautiful picture shows how galaxies can work together in space. During a visit to NASA headquarters in Washington, Kamala Harris and French President Emmanuel Macron witnessed the unveiling of this groundbreaking revelation. The telescope captured an image of the merging galaxies in JWST, located approximately 500 million light-years from Earth in the constellation Delphinus. The image revealed a chaotic and distorted structure as the two galaxies merged. Bright tendrils of star-forming regions connected their luminous centers, while the spiral arms of the lower galaxy were twisted out of shape due to gravitational perturbation. The observation focused on the specifics of galaxy evolution, particularly in neighboring luminous infrared galaxies like JWST. This discovery challenges our understanding of galaxy formation, as these early sources were substantially brighter than predicted. However, it also paves the way for future deep sky surveys, as the James Webb Telescope's advanced capabilities make it easier to locate even more early galaxies. The telescope's images have also provided insights into the birth of a new star within the dark cloud L1527 and a hidden treasure in a faraway galaxy surrounded by potential globular clusters, possibly some of the universe's oldest. One of the most outstanding photos taken by this telescope features a star called WR124, located in the constellation Sagitta, about 15,000 light-years away. This star sheds its outer layers, creating beautiful halos made of gas and dust. Astronomers are particularly excited about this star because its strong infrared emissions provide unprecedented details, helping them study this rare phase of a star's life. The James Webb Telescope and the Hubble Space Telescope collaboration led to another exciting discovery. By combining data from both telescopes, scientists could study interstellar dust in a pair of galaxies. They found that interstellar dust plays a significant role in a spiral galaxy that overlaps with a bright white elliptical galaxy. Understanding how dust is present and distributed in galaxies is crucial for studying how they evolve and how new stars and planets form. The James Webb Telescope also looked closer at Stephan's Quintet, a group of 5 galaxies. Using its infrared vision, the telescope revealed unseen characteristics, such as sparkling clusters of newborn stars and gravitational interactions that create long tails of gas, dust, and stars. Scientists gain valuable insights into the larger universe by studying neighboring galaxies like these. In an incredible image, the James Webb Telescope captured never-before-seen details of the supernova remnant Cassiopeia A. This remnant was formed 340 years ago when a star exploded. Studying the debris field of Cas-A helps scientists understand the nature of these explosions and learn more about the star that caused them. The James Webb Space Telescope continues to amaze astronomers with its stunning images and valuable scientific discoveries. Click on the subscribe button if you are finding the video interesting so far. As we explore the vast universe, the James Webb Telescope has made a shocking discovery at its edge. The uncovered secrets challenge our knowledge of the universe and make us question our role in it. And this is just the start. There's still a lot more to explore and uncover. The telescope captures images of massive black holes, rogue planets, and mysterious objects that cannot be explained by current theories. The discovery sends shockwaves through the scientific community and raises even more questions about the origins of the universe. What other secrets lie hidden in the depths of space? Watch the video, James Webb Telescope Discovery of City Lights.